Okay, we got this one started lined out. We're going to make another one along this line of this, only I don't want it to be an exact replica of the other one. So the outside dimensions are all going to be the same. With this will be the same, this will be the same for our two outside pieces and our two neck pieces. But I want to change this, so we're going to make the nose a little more prominent. More defined a little bit. Change this in here a little bit, and we're going to change the mouth area, have it come out just a little bit more and more straight down till we get to the teeth. So you can see that's going to be a little bit different. The mouth and the nose will be a little bit different, so it won't be an exact replica of that one. It will be a little different. So we're going to need 3 of these for our inside pieces. We're going to need 2 of these, which will incorporate our neck. And we'll need 2 of these for our outside pieces. So we're going to draw these out on our board, we'll cut them out, and then we'll come back. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.